Welcome to Warren, Michigan. Let's explore the best full-service moving companies in Warren that offer cheap and dependable options for your next move. Moving can be stressful, but hiring a full-service moving company can save you time, energy, and stress. These movers handle everything, from packing and loading to transport and unpacking, so you don't have to lift a finger. And the best part? They provide affordable services without compromising on quality. Warren is a growing community in Macomb County, known for its proximity to Detroit, and it's home to several moving companies that offer affordable full-service options, so you can find exactly what you need at the price you want. Some of the top-rated local movers in Warren include Warren Movers. Specializing in residential moves within the city, they offer tailored services to meet your needs. Macomb County Movers. Known for their exceptional customer service, they create customized plans to ensure a smooth, efficient move. Motor City Movers. Offering competitive pricing for moves across the Detroit suburbs, they provide everything from packing to furniture shifting. Here's an idea of what you can expect to pay for moving services in Warren. These estimates are based on local moves. Costs may vary depending on the size of your home, the distance, and the level of service you need. Looking for a cheap and reliable moving company in Warren? Call 3 Movers today for your free moving quote. We're here to make your next move as easy and affordable as possible.